How to use Mega Cloud Storage. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use Mega Cloud Storage. Without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, search for Mega Cloud Storage. So let's search for that. And after you search for that, you'll find Mega's website. It's simply mega.io. Close this. Okay, so it's mega.io. And now if you want to create an account, what you'll need to do is tap on this sign up option on the top right. After you tap on the sign up option, you'll then be able to create an account for Mega. So after it loads, what you'll have to do is you'll have to type in your name. So let's type in our name, our last name, then our email address. So let's type in our password for now and tap on I understand. And again, understand this option, that is terms and services, then tap on sign up. And there we go, we have just created our account. Now to use this, all you have to do is tap on this add option, start uploading file and uploading folders. Now you can create different folders. There are on the left sidebar, there are different sections here, such as medias, shared items, device centers. Now, if you have any incoming shares, you'll receive it right here. And you can see how many storage you have available right here. So you can see you will get 20 GBs initially. And if you want to upgrade, you can tap on upgrade from here. Also, if you delete any files and folders, you'll find them right here in the rubbish pane. So let's head over to our media here, our cloud drive. And now if you want to import something, all you have to do is open up your folder, go to this page right here, then start uploading some stuff. So all you have to do is drag and drop and it will start uploading. There you can see uploading is taking place and the uploading is complete. Now what you can do here is you can open this up. You can store up to 20 GBs as it said earlier. And yeah, you can open it up, start viewing. And now if you want to delete them, tap on the three dots and tap on move to rubbish. Tap on move and you can do the same for here as well. Tap on move and it's there. Now those are not deleted permanently, as you can find them in the rubbish bin. And to delete them permanently, simply select them all, then tap on delete permanently. There we go. And it's that simple to use Mega's cloud storage, guys. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.